Okay, so we will be going over how to find the perimeter and area. Okay, so perimeter is fairly simple. Once I explain it, you'll understand, I think, a lot easier. Perimeter, you want to think of it as being the fence. Okay, so say if you had a yard here, the fence is the perimeter. Okay, um, now from here, what you want to do is if this side is 5 inches, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we'll pretend these are each inches, then this side of the rectangle is also 5 inches. Okay? If this side of the rectangle here is 7 inches, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, then this opposite side is the same, 7 inches. So again, to find the perimeter, okay, you just need to find how long that fence is that goes around your yard. All right, so all I'm going to do is add them up. Well, 5 plus 5 is 10. So 10 inches, I'm not forgetting my units, plus 7 plus 7, we know is 14, plus 14 inches. Okay, that altogether is, when you add them together, 24 inches. Notice I am not forgetting my units. No naked numbers, guys. Okay? Now, area, now that we understand how to find perimeter of something, let's find the area. Okay? The area, think of a carpet. Okay? It's not the length that goes around something, it's everything inside. Okay? The area. All right? Now, to get area, let's think of a carpet or think of the grass inside of the fence. Find an area. There are two ways to find an area. One way is to count each one of the boxes individually within the object that you're trying to find the area. This only works if the object has squares. And in this example, each square, for example, this side's 5 inches, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Each one of these is 1 inch. So let's see how many inches we have total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. 35 inches are inside. So the area is 35 inches. Now, you have to think about this, for example, with the area, we are not using as just say the perimeter 24 and then saying inches, okay? With the area, so let's write this right here. Perimeter means it's going to be in inches, okay? Area will always be squared, so inches squared in this example. So it'd be 35 inches squared, okay? Another way to do this, which is a lot faster and I prefer it, especially those of you that are a little better at your multiplication facts. You take the one side we have here, which is our 5 inches, by the second side, which is our 7 inches. Okay, so we have 5 inches, and we have 7 inches. Okay, 5 and 7. We will multiply that. Now, when we multiply it, 7 times 5, if you don't know it off the bat, you can count by 5, 7 times, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35 would be 7. We'd have 35, and we have 2 inches, is like the way I like to think about it. We're timesing those, so we have inches squared. Okay? This is a much, I think, easier and faster way to do area. Now again, This will not work if your object does not have boxes in it, or if you want to count. All right, let's take another example that's more similar to your math lesson. Now we're going to find our area. This problem is more like your problems that you're going to find on your unit for lesson 1.1 for geometry. So here, let's start with perimeter, P, and A for area. Okay, each one of these squares is going to be an inch, so I'm going to be working in inches, and I know my area is going to be inches squared. All right, so the easiest way to do this, when you have the squares to help you, is you can just count to find the perimeter. You want to find, again, it's the fence around the object. Okay, you want to count how long that is. So I can just start here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. So my perimeter is 36 inches. Okay? It's the easiest way to do it when you have these squares. Now, what if you're given just lengths of the sides? Okay, you can also just say, okay, this is 1, 2, 3, right? So this is 3. We also have, this is 3, this is 1, this is 1, this little short area, right, is at 1. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, this is 5. These are all inches, by the way. It's just I don't have enough room to write it all. This is 1, 2 inches. This is 1, 2. Sorry, 1, 2. So this is 2. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. 1, 2. So you could count all of these numbers up of your sides, and that would also equal 36. Okay? Those are two different ways you can do it. And so now let's think of, and we'll get into other ways. Say these boxes aren't there to count those sides, and you're just given the lengths of some sides or all the sides. Then we would go into that later on, okay? But for now, this is lesson 1.1, okay? And then we're going to find area. To find the area, you could do it simple like before. You could count each box inside if that's what you're comfortable with. So we'll start with counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. So our area is 45 inches squared. Okay? We're going to stop here for now, and this should cover pretty much your first couple of pages and in your notes for lesson 1.1, okay, unit 4. All right, and I will be around to help you, and we will continue review.